What's up, brodies? Welcome back to another video. We're here back at the track, and your boy got the 2V out here. I'm finna race Junior with the 5.0, the same guy who we lowered the suspension on. And yeah, brodies, I mean, just out here waiting. Right now, it's just a bunch of pro mods and bike dudes, and then there's slow people like us that obviously are gonna race. We're in the last lane, so we're basically waiting on all these bike dudes. I don't know if you guys can see them. And yeah, guys, hopefully I get some good runs today. I'm gonna be racing. I'm gonna be racing the 5.0 and the Mach 1. So hopefully you guys like the content. I should have peed before I raced. Thank you, sir. Oh, wow. Guys, holy crap. My 60 foot was a 1.70, 8.29 with a 79.96 miles per hour. Holy crap. I think I think that is the fastest, guys. I'm not too sure. I don't remember. But wow, I'm pretty impressed with myself. All right, buddies, we're having a good day. I feel good I raced out. Sam, I still gotta race Sam. Well, hold on, let me show y'all something.
That Corona.
Fighting that Corona, fighting off these Stangs. Check this out. Oh yeah, reaction time is a 0.2691. Look at that, 0 to 60, bro, 1.70. And then 8.29 was my personal best right there with a 79.96 miles per hour. I think I just beat a world record. Being the slowest car out here. So
your next session will be at 7 o'clock. Robots, if you want to run the next session, it'll be at 7 o'clock.
Junior, tell me what you got done in 5.0.
Alright, well,
Speak up like loud.
I got tinted fog lights.
Okay.
I'm riding on 26s right here.
On 26s?
You know, Bucky's sneaker review from Texas, you gotta have that. Fully dusted carbon fiber spoiler, wind reduction. You know,
What's this for?
it helps me extra tire.
Okay.
Nah, it's a fully stock 5.0.
Okay.
Dropped on the Cobra Springs.
Alright, they know that,
Cobra just springs.
Alright, so tell me what's overdone over here. This is Sam, by the way. Sam, tell him. Let me show them the hat so they know you official. Official on the titty too.
We got the Nitto tire stickers.
Okay.
Only one to keep the weight kind of low, you know what I mean?
There's only one on them folks. Ah, damn. They didn't have the 2-for-1 special on that bit.
Hell no.
All right, keep going.
Pretty much just the BMR control arms,
All right, BMR control arms.
welded tubes, and BBK headers. That's it.
Damn.
Bengali Racing Team versus Mexico Racing League.
Oh shit, fool.
What lane do we go into?
6 lane, fool. Look at everybody with the trailer, and yeah, us dumbwits are over here parked like.
Man, he put the GoPro right in my...
You put that right in your temple.
Straight.
Hey, call it that scat pack.
I'll gap that shit, bro. Sal gapped it on the street.
But I'm telling him right now. Oh, less.
I gotta run Junior first.
Damn, bud.
Check engine light on. Check.
Yeah, go. Over here, fool, over here. You put a crush into the family.
Right?
Yeah. Oh, shh.
Yeah, I seen him.
Yo. I wouldn't have. I would have took him out. Real talk.
Left?
Yeah, left. Nah, bitch. Exit the freaking premises.
Oh, no alcohol past.
Alright, bro. Back out. Oh, she almost. Junior's about to hit you.
Bro, look at his rims.
Bro, if you don't stop, go over here. Go all the way over here.
To the right?
Yeah. I'm about to turn on the nitrous for my boy. Leon, go. Over here. What the? Here's the instruction manual. Maybe it'll tell us how to race.
I gotta put my...
Alright, Brody, so we're back in the garage as usual. The car did amazing at the drag strip, running an 8.2 with a 60 foot of a 1.70. I appreciate you guys so much, man, subscribing, liking up my videos. I think one of my previous videos is about to hit 5,000 views, so I really appreciate that, guys. Like this video up. Let's try to get to 40 likes on this video. And guys, if I have one quick question, if you guys want to get into, racing at the drag strip, I can most definitely make a video teaching you guys what to do, even preparing for the drag strip, burning out, pre-staging, staging. I could do it on my auto Mustang, and I could also show my friends who have manuals what they do when they pre-stage and stage, just to help you guys out. I know it can be intimidating, but with some help and some tips, I want you guys to be safe and run your cars at the track and be ready. So if you guys want those type of videos, let me know. I can most definitely do that for the next time. Again, guys, thank you so much for liking and subscribing. See you till the next time.